Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows 10 start button is not working. So if you attempt to open your Windows start button and it's not opening up ever, if you trying to right click on the start button, it's not responding guys. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, user control your device, click yes, and here you want to type chkdsk space. I need to clarify you guys. Go to file explorer, go to this pc, and your hard drive local disk is mine is C guys. Whatever letter in here in your drive is, you need to uh, type here guys. My drive is C drive space chkdsk space your drive letter, and you need to two dots icon and space slash over here and F. I'm telling again chkdsk space C double dot icon and space slash F. Press enter. Run because the volume is used another process. Would you like to schedule the volume to be checked the next time system restart? Click Y, press Y in keyboard and press enter. After finishing this, go and restart your PC guys. If the problem get resolved, that's not if not get resolved, try this as well guys. sfc space slash SEANNOW, press enter. This will definitely work for you guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Let's wait guys. Being verification based of system scan, verification need to get 100% guys. 1% is to get 100%. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.